Honestly, I am so excited that I finally got this little package, because guys, if you watch my previous video, flying out with the baby for the first time, we went on a family holiday and I was looking for a camera to have to take content, to take pictures, and just something that would be robust and then I can use as an all-arounder. So if I dropped it rained, we went on the beach, it would be absolutely fine. And after doing some much needed research, I decided to go with the DJI Action cameras, the DJI Action 6. So guys, let's unbox it together, because listen, when you're a content creator, having the right equipment is so important. And you know, one thing I've learned is that you can have all the digital cameras, whatever, but it's how you use it. So when I was having the Pocket 3, it was not waterproof. So for me, and having a toddler, like a little baby, they're always trying to grab something, I needed something robust. So that's why I decided to get rid of my to get rid of my Osmo Pocket 3, even though I felt like I was slightly postpartum when I got rid of it, because I do miss it, because sit down videos is perfect for it, cinematics perfect for it, but I just felt like being out and about, I needed an action camera. And when I had the GoPro, I felt like it was really robust when I was doing my running. If you don't know, go and check out the videos. Or when I was doing my running, I would go out with my GoPro. So I really enjoyed the GoPro, but the GoPro was a little bit more costly, and honestly I decided to go with the DJI because I already had a Pocket 3. Using the app, everything was easy. But yeah, so this is inside the box. So I ended up just going with the camera, as that was the most cost effective for me. I believe they probably have a sale on. So you get this charging cable, you get a battery, just one battery, because it's just the camera that comes with it. You get this adapter screw. So because I had the because I had, oh my goodness, I'm forgetting now. Yeah, you get this screw to screw for all the extendable items. But yeah, so that's my camera. Forgive me, my baby was fiddling with my phone while I was filming the video, trying to unbox it. And then you get this as well. I don't even know the right names, but this is the kind of like, if you want to stick it on somewhere. Yeah, and I love the fact that this is magnet. I've been using the camera, and this magnetic clip, so good. I think it's one of the best features is this magnet clip. So I've decided to use that, and I was like, hang on, I got my GoPro. When I sold my GoPro, I remember keeping all the equipment, and I had the handle, and I was like, surely it would fit. And my it fitted. You don't understand how excited I was, because I was like, I need a stick, and I'm so glad my GoPro stick fitted, because I had the GoPro Hero 9 and I had the combo. With the combo you get so much accessories. One thing, guys, yeah, when you're buying a camera, especially nowadays, whatever camera you get, there's different combos for the lifestyle that you want to shoot to shoot it for. So I used to, when I had my GoPro, I got the combo. When I had the Osmo Pocket 3, I had the combo. I sold the full combo, but when I had the GoPro, I only sold the camera but not the combo. And lucky for me, now buying the Action 6, the equipment, the accessory works. It works. So I didn't need to buy the combo, because I'm the kind of content creator that I'm not going to spend 3 hours shooting. So I didn't need the extra batteries. But if you're someone who needs so many batteries because, you know, you're constantly filming, fair enough. Because even when I had my DJI Action, my Pocket 3, I got the combo. You get the extra battery, but I was never running out of battery, because I I just was not running out of battery just because of my style of filming. Like, I just film a couple of clips here because most of my videos are about 10 minutes. I don't do like a whole hour long vlogs or whole hour long videos, you know. So mine are like 10 minutes. The most you may see is 20 minutes, but I still have all these accessories would fit. Don't know when I'm going to use it, don't know where, but even the case, I can still put the camera in this case. It's a hard case, especially when you're traveling. You want to make sure that your gear is protected. But yeah, this is my new baby. So yeah, let me know. I'm not going to go through the specs of the camera, but one thing for sure is waterproof, it's robust, and it really takes good videos and pictures. And the thing is, and you can use the app. So I was using the app with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I was familiar with the app and I really enjoyed the app. It's really seamless. I've got the microphone, not the microphone, I'm forgetting what I'm saying. But yeah, because I've got the DJI the mic mini, I thought, you know what, let me just get the DJI camera. So yeah, I'm so happy for this purchase. It has definitely served us well during our family holiday. So make sure that you check out the vlog and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, become a member of the family. It's absolutely free to become a member. If you want to go the extra mile and you want to, you know, be be part of the membership program, become the membership program, or if you just want to, you know, gift, and we appreciate you guys. Okay, so just to say, I would do more vlogs if that's what you want to see. And yeah, we've got this action camera. There's so many different settings on here. I'm not going to go through it. There's so many people doing videos on this camera, but all I will say is it's a great camera. It's compact, it fits in a pocket, it's discreet. And one thing is, when you're filming with it, the screen goes black. So after a couple of seconds, I think you can set it up yourself, and then the screen goes black, so people don't even know that you're filming. It's really, really discreet. And if you have old gear, accessories like me, you've bought previous cameras, you've kept your accessories, maybe you've sold it, try and not always buy the combo, which are more expensive. Just the camera on its own, and then use the accessories where you can. I think that's cost effective, because I still had the memory card that I previously bought before. Another thing, talking about memory, this phone comes with, I believe, 52 gig memory, which is super amazing. So you don't even have to buy memory if you don't want to. It gives you about 2 hours worth of vlog, and yeah, it's absolutely great. But yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel. This was my DJI Action 6 unboxing. It's a great little camera, great for holidays, taking pictures, just great for vlogging, great for if you love being out and about. You know, it's robust. I would definitely recommend. I did so much research. But yeah, see you guys next.